How can I redeem PS4 discount codes?
Hey there, gamers! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing how to redeem PS4 discount codes. If you've recently received a discount code for your PlayStation 4 and you're wondering how to use it, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll guide you through the process step by step, so let's get started.
Accessing the PlayStation Store.
The first thing you'll need to do is access the PlayStation Store on your PS4. To do this, make sure your console is connected to the internet and navigate to the main menu. From there, scroll to the right until you find the PlayStation Store icon. Select it by pressing the X button on your controller, and the store will load up.
Finding the redeem code option.
Once you're inside the PlayStation Store, look for the Redeem Codes option. It's usually located at the bottom left corner of the screen. You can navigate to it by using the left stick on your controller to move the cursor, and then press the X button to select it.
Entering the discount code.
After selecting the Redeem Codes option, a new screen will appear prompting you to enter your discount code. Using the on-screen keyboard, input the code exactly as it was provided to you. Remember that discount codes are usually case-sensitive, so make sure to enter uppercase and lowercase letters correctly.
Confirming the redemption.
Once you've entered the discount code, press the Continue or Redeem button. The system will then validate the code and check its eligibility. If the code is valid and your account meets the necessary criteria, you'll receive a confirmation message indicating that the discount has been successfully applied.
Enjoying your discount.
Congratulations! You've successfully redeemed your discount code on your PS4. Now you can enjoy the benefits that come with it, such as discounted prices or special offers on games, add-ons, or other PlayStation Store content. Take this opportunity to explore the store and make the most of your discount. That brings us to the end of this video tutorial on how to redeem PS4 discount codes. Remember, accessing the PlayStation Store, finding the Redeem Codes option, entering your discount code, and confirming the redemption are the key steps to follow. Now you can save some money and enhance your gaming experience on your PS4. We hope you found this video helpful, and as always, happy gaming!